In a world full of technological advancements and modern conveniences, it's easy to take the sun for granted. Every day, it rises and sets without fail, providing us with light, warmth, and the energy needed for life to thrive on Earth. However, few of us stop to consider the immense power and potential danger that the sun holds. Surprisingly enough, the sun has the ability to end civilization in a matter of seconds. To understand how the sun can bring about such devastation, we must first delve into the science behind it. At the sun's core, nuclear fusion reactions occur, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the process. This energy is then radiated out into space in the form of electromagnetic radiation, including sunlight. While the sun has been a stable and reliable source of energy for billions of years, it is not without its occasional outbursts. Solar flares, massive eruptions on the sun's surface, can release a tremendous amount of energy in the form of solar storms. These storms are made up of charged particles, primarily electrons and protons, which are accelerated to incredibly high speeds. In extreme cases, these solar storms can be powerful enough to disrupt electrical systems here on Earth. If a particularly strong solar storm were to hit our planet, the consequences could be catastrophic. One of the first and most immediate impacts would be on our power grids. The electrical currents induced by the storm could overload transformers, causing them to fail. Without these transformers, electricity would cease to flow, plunging entire regions into darkness. The loss of power would have a domino effect, disrupting communication systems, transportation networks, and the functioning of essential services such as hospitals and water treatment plants. In addition to the destruction of electrical systems, a powerful solar storm could also wreak havoc on our technological infrastructure. The delicate electronics that power our devices, from smartphones to computers to satellites, are highly vulnerable to the intense radiation emitted by solar storms. This radiation can cause malfunctions, leading to a cascade of failures in our interconnected network of technology. GPS systems, radio communications, and even the internet could all be severely compromised or rendered useless. But the dangers of a solar storm don't end there. The charged particles from the storm could also have a detrimental effect on our planet's atmosphere. As they interact with the Earth's magnetic field, they can cause it to become unstable. This instability would weaken our planet's defense against harmful cosmic rays, allowing more of them to penetrate the atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface. Increased exposure to cosmic rays can have detrimental effects on both human and animal health, including an increased risk of cancer and genetic damage. So, how likely is it that a solar storm of this magnitude will occur? While scientists cannot predict such events with certainty, they do know that they have happened in the past. One of the most well-documented examples is the Carrington event, which occurred in 1859. This event caused widespread disruptions to telegraph systems around the world, and in some cases, telegraph lines even caught fire. If a similar event were to happen today, the consequences would undoubtedly be far more severe due to our reliance on technology. While it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the potential dangers of a powerful solar storm, it's important to remember that scientists and engineers are working diligently to protect our vulnerable systems. Early warning systems have been put in place to alert us to the arrival of a solar storm, giving us valuable time to prepare and mitigate its impact. Additionally, efforts are being made to develop more resilient technology that can better withstand the effects of radiation. In conclusion, while the sun may seem like a familiar and benign presence in our lives, it possesses the power to bring about unimaginable devastation. A massive solar storm has the potential to disrupt our power grids, cripple our technology, and even harm our very health. It serves as a non-negotiable reminder of the fragility of our civilization in the face of the immense forces of nature. It is up to us to remain vigilant, prepare for such events, and continue investing in the necessary safeguards to protect ourselves from the sun's unimaginable power.